Oh there! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete a YouTube channel. First step is to go to youtube.com and log in into your profile. Once logged in, go to your profile image icon on the top right corner. Once clicked, the bottom option is settings. Go ahead and click on it. Once in your settings, you'll see view advanced settings. Click on it. Then, in the advanced settings, you'll have a delete channel button right at the bottom. Just click on it. Then Google will require you to put in your password once again. Once inputted, hit next. Then YouTube asks you if you want to hide your channel or if you want to permanently delete your channel. If you want to permanently delete it, hit number 2. Then go ahead and choose whatever you need out of these two options. Then hit delete my content. YouTube then asks to input your email that is associated with your channel to make sure that it is exactly what you want to do. So go ahead and input your email. Once you're done, hit delete my content. Now your content is being deleted and also your channel is being deleted also in the process. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.